You see her almost every day, in the hallway, in class, maybe even during breaks. And every time you think about saying something, but you don't, because your brain starts going crazy. What if she says no? What if it gets awkward? What if everyone notices? But here's the truth. Most people feel exactly the same. They just hide it better. She's probably nervous too, just in a different way. Step 1. Don't try to impress her. That's where most people fail. They overthink, they try too hard, they sound unnatural. Instead, think of one simple thing to say, like you would to anyone else. Because she's not some unreachable person. She's just a girl. Step 2. Your energy matters more than your words. You don't need a perfect sentence. You need to feel calm. If you look tense, she will feel it immediately. So slow down. Take a breath, look her in the eyes, and give a small, natural smile. That alone already makes you different from most people. Mamma. Step 3. Don't wait for the perfect moment. It doesn't exist. Just go for it. Hey, do you want to hang out sometime? That's it. No complicated lines, no acting, no pressure. And here's what most people don't understand. The result doesn't define you. If she says yes, great. If she says no, that's okay too. Because confidence isn't about always winning. It's about having the courage to try. That's how it starts. Not with perfection, but with one simple step. Follow for more real advice.